Very good morning, my dear students. Yesterday I have sent the notes for product topology definition. I have sent. I am going to explain that definition and I am going to prove a theorem. Okay, very important theorem. Product topology. What is product topology? Let x comma y be topological spaces. We have taken two topological spaces x comma y. Then the product of topology on x cross y is the topology x cross y, normal Cartesian product. Is the topology having a basis, the collection beta script B of all sets of the form U cross V, where U is open subset in X and V is an open subset of Y. See, we will take two spaces. I will explain. I have given the notes, so I rub it out. Take one topology X. Take another topology. You take an open set here. You take an open set V. You take an open set U in X. You take an open set V in Y. If you take the Cartesian product and if you take this Cartesian product, see the collections. Take all the collections of open sets. U belongs to X. V belongs to Y. This collection becomes a basis and the topology generated by this basis is called the product topology on X and Y or X cross Y. So natural way of defining the topology. Okay. Cartesian product. Now I am going to give you an important theorem. If script B is a basis for the topology of X and script C is a basis for the topology of Y, then the collection, the Cartesian product of those two is a basis for the topology of X cross Y. Natural way of defining. See, in theoretical proof, we have three methods. Positive proof, three proofs are existing. Positive proof, negative proof, mathematical induction. This one, natural way of proving the result, that is prima facie proof. New type of proof. Okay. We are going to apply the lemma 3. I have sent you already lemma 3, and using that lemma, using that criteria, I am going to prove this collection becomes a basis. Okay. Let W be an open set of X cross Y. X cross Y, I am going to take an open set W. Let X cross Y belongs to W. இது வந்து இந்த W குள்ள இந்த X cross Y. X belongs to X, Y belongs to X. By definition of product topology of an element of topology, product topology இப்பதான் define பண்ண U cross V ன்றது two open sets product topology ல இருந்ததுன்னா U cross V such that X cross Y belongs to U cross V contained in W. Okay. Open set அதுதான். Right. இப்போ script B is a basis for X. Lemma 3 என்ன சொல்றது? If it is a basis, there exists a B belongs to script B such that X belongs to B, there exists a U. U குள்ள U is an open set. B is in basis. அப்ப எங்க வரும்? X belongs to B contained in. Similarly, C is a basis for Y. Then again by that definition, C belongs to C such that Y belongs to C contained in. Therefore, then X cross Y எங்க வரும்? X Y ல இருக்கு, B ல இருக்கு, Y C ல இருக்கு. Therefore, X cross Y belongs to B cross C. B is contained in U, C is contained in V. Therefore, B cross C is contained in U cross V. But from 1, U cross V is contained in W. இந்த ரெண்டுக்கு ஒண்ணா சேர்த்தோம்னா this is. இப்ப நாம என்ன செய்யறோம்னா இத விட்டுறோம். X cross Y belongs to B cross C contained in W. இப்ப அகைன் லெம்மா 3 போங்க. அங்க என்ன சொல்றது? எந்த ஒரு கலெக்ஷனும் இந்த கண்டிஷனை சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணா it becomes a basis. So the condition lemma 3 உடைய கண்டிஷன் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆறதுனால this collection becomes a basis for the product. Okay. So we have taken one open set. By the definition of product topology, there exists an element. since script B is a basis na basis உடைய definition பிரகாரம் xb belongs to B. C is a basis by definition of basis இது வந்திருக்குது. ஓகே, இப்போ இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் நம்ம கம்பைன் பண்றோம். இந்த ரெண்டு ரிசல்ட்டையும் கம்பைன் பண்ணா you will get this relation. இந்த ரிலேஷனோட கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது W வந்துடுது. இதை விட்டுடுறோம், இங்க வந்துடுறது. So இது என்ன பண்றது? It satisfies the condition in the lemma 3. lemma 3ல நீங்க lemma 3 படிங்க. அந்த கண்டிஷன் ஏன்னா இது sufficient condition for a set to become a basis. அந்த sufficient condition-ஐ satisfy பண்றதுனால இந்த செட் என்ன ஆகுது? It becomes a basis for script D becomes a basis for x cross y. That's all. This is what we need to prove. We have hence that. Okay. Yes. Next theorem. Okay. Yes. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can clarify, and you can send WhatsApp also. Thank you.